Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HUAWEI device to HUAWEI MatePad 11. Firstly, you need to access App Gallery on both devices. Then tap on the search bars and type sorcery send anywhere. Then download this free app from this developer and open it. Now click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both devices. Then you need to select receive on HUAWEI tablet and send on this HUAWEI device. Following that, tap on all of those type of dots and choose send. This way you will send all of those files. But I don't want to do that because it will take a lot of time, so I will go into photos category, select only one of them, choose send and click got it. Over here we have two connection ways. We can scan QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on this HUAWEI tablet, choosing allow only while in use and pointing device's camera at the QR code. But we can also input this key over here and tap on receive, then wait. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!